I mean Johnny. Okay, so just to warn you guys, look at me like MDAVAZO kume makaPrunyakos. Mengananguti video lewane. I just wanna give out the topic for this weekend. Must work every weekend. Hivulavula MDAVAZO, makaPrunyakos, makamnyovi. So lava participate bafumela kuba hi mavonelo ya vona hi WhatsApp through our WhatsApp, which is 0616709692. Ku ri va kota ku participate. If you don't like those kind of topics, hi kombela mi nga zi mi ti hlupha hi ku vona video leyi hi la ku nyika topics swo we're just warning you, click out. So if you are still here, it means that you want to participate ka topic ya hina ya this weekend leyi hi ndlaku mhaka MDAVAZO kumbe Prunyakos kumbe mhaka mnyovinyovi. So every weekend, like I said, hi ndla timhaka ta mnyovinyovi na MDAVAZO Saturday and Sunday. So our topic on Saturday hi liya ya ku, does size really matter? Loko vulavula hi size la guys, hi vulavula for both women and men. Ku ri loko mi kha mi ndla Prunyakos swo boha ku loko ku ri mi jita mi kha mi dyanana la a va khomele ya mbhinyi, a va khome mbhinyi a va khome mbhinyi wa donki n'wana mhani, kumbexani loko a ri wa munhu wa xisati a va khomele xa xo manya na, nakona swa boha ku xi manya na. Nakona swa boha ku xi manya hi ndlela ya ku van'wana va kuma ku va rhandza ku van'wana va lava tiholo, ma swi twisisa. So preference ya n'wina hi yini? Mi enjoy loko ku ri holo kumbexana kuma ku xi manya ngopfu xi va xi ri too tight. And then loko ku ri majita ku laveka ku ri liya yikulu ya donki kumbexana hambi ku ri xinayitani kumbexana ritlhongo a swi na mhaka na. Nakona swi ya hi size nakona na ku va munhu a va satisfied. So hi vulavula hi MDAVAZO la, so ni tshemba ku mi participate hi 0616709692 i WhatsApp ntsena yaleyo mi hi sendela mavonelo ya n'wina. Some people said, oh, we want to participate but a hi la ku huma, can we send voice notes? Okay, yes, you guys can send voice notes. Yes, send me voice notes. Introduce yourself as well, at least. If you don't want to mention your name, just say I'm anonymous. And then loko mi la ku humela ka video nakona hi kombela mi ti tivisa mavito ku n'wi va mani, ku kota ku twa mavonelo ya n'wina ku ri size really matter for both men and women loko mi kha mi tla mhaka Prunyakos or not. So ni khensile, ni tshemba ku hi ta mi vona. Make sure ku ri mi posa mavonelo ya n'wina before Thursday midnight. So it's Friday hi ta va hi pfarini because hi fanele hi lunghisa ku hi va organized. So ni kombela ku Thursday midnight mi se mi hoxini mavonelo ya n'wina. Yes. So that's why I was giving opportunity ka vanhu van'wana kuma kha va kona ka Facebook, vo va kwala ka YouTube va ni complaineli vo tala va ku why nga hi byelangi hina a hi na Facebook, a hi na ti-Twitter, ho na YouTube ntsena. So I'm giving you opportunity guys to participate. So make sure that you participate. Like I mean, I'm testing it. Topic yes, Sunday yata after this.